Mwandiki mukaru thiini wa ministry ya mathomo ma universities no thundhuria Barothi Simon na Bukwesi nurite masukuru monthe ma universities gutigirira ni macokerera mathomo na matina niguo mavote gukinyaniria watho wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri wa arutwo matikakuvaniririe riria mari cukuru. Na Bukwesi ni ugite thirikari iri na mwivoko universities cionthe ni cigukinyaniria mawatho macio ma kurua na murimu wa COVID-19 mbere ya mathomo gucokerera kwambirira mweri wa kenda. Augite ni undu masukuru mengi ma universities matikoragwo na arutwo engi koguo mari na uvoti wa kuthingata watho wa kurega gukuvaniriria.
The TVET institutions, the teacher training colleges and universities are very keen to open, and so I've not come across any that is not willing because they are not ready. They are all making preparations for opening, but they will open at different times when they are ready between now and September. There were finalist students who are just about to complete exams. Some were left with 1 year, others 1 week, others were left with 3 weeks. Those ones will come and complete the exams so that they wait for graduation and leave the campus for others to come in.
Mwandiki uyu mukaru augite no anginyagia muturire uthi na mbere wanathengia gukora kuri na king'uki kia murimu wa COVID-19 na koguo no anginyagia arungamiriri universities macarie njira cia gutigirira mathomo ni macokereria. Wavono ukanyirite no anginyagia arungamiriri a universities matigirire miako yonthe ni yarika kuringana na mitaratara ya thirikari. Augite thirikari ya Kenya ni kwaranira na thirikari ya bũrũri wa Netherlands itethirire kurikia mwako wa Science Park thiini wa University ya Chuka niguo kuvuthiria university ucio murigo wa kimbesa.
And those that have thought faster and acted faster because they can get resources are already ready for opening. Others are putting facilities in place to get ready for opening and then internally to arrange for the first out opening.
Mwenaru wake murungamiriri munene University ya Chuka nike Professor Rastus Njoka augite cukuru ucio no ivarite kuvingura na kuthi na mbere na mathomo thirikari ya metikiria. Augite ni marandaura utungata wa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa university yo na kuria mathondekete vandu va kuiga keverera andu 20 aria mangikwirwo gukora na virus cia corona.
Turina capacity at student 1000 but student maingi matula gwantu ozilia ntume na nau amuntu atura nyombea we mwe ko guthina thina baba university turina irathi nene muno imwe na gukina tuika irathi itikwigana nuntu wa social distancing tukathie turugule tents na bala firudini gukina guyana social distancing na tukina tumira microphones nuntu wa communicate na students. Lakini
ngiripotera Inoro TV kuma kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi mbeta kwa Peter Mungai.